Alright, today is Monday, November 7th. We're going to actually do two lessons today, Lesson 1 and Lesson 2. Lesson 1, introducing ratios and ratio language. Lesson 2 is representing ratios with designs. So, we've got a little bit of experience with this because we've been working on Excel. We've been doing our things in our math folder all year long, so we have a good idea of what kind of expected. So, this is lesson 1, practice problems. In a fruit basket, there are 9 bananas, 4 apples, and 3 plums. So this is our given information up here, okay? So, it asks us A, B, C, and D. The ratio of bananas to apples is, so you see how bananas comes first, apples is second. Same thing over here, we put apples first. I apologize. Bananas is first, apples is second. Here, bananas should go first, apples second. So, there's 9 bananas. Bananas comes first, they ask us first. Apples come second. How many apples are there? There are 4. Okay? 9 to 4. The ratio of plums to apples. Okay. Plums is first. Apples is second. 3 plums. 3 plums. Apples is second. 4 apples. Okay? Alright. C. For every blank apples, there are blank plums. Okay? So, for every 4 apples, there are 3 plums. Okay, it's in the given information there. Now, it gets a little bit trickier on this question right here. So, it's for every 3 bananas, there are 1 what? Okay? So, we've got to figure out which one they're talking about here, okay? So, 9 bananas. Okay, so for every 3 bananas, there's 1 whatever, okay? Alright, so we'll start out with 9 bananas, but we need to go to 3 bananas. Okay, so we got to figure out which one is equal. You're not going to have a third of an apple or a fourth of an apple. See how those are just not friendly numbers, 9 to 4. So let's try apples and plums. So to begin with, there's 9 bananas, 3 plums. So if you divide that by 3, same philosophy down here, divided by 3, there's 1 plum. Okay. All right. So that's the first one. Okay. That's pretty simple stuff there. Okay. Now, lesson 2. So here's a diagram that describes the cups of green and white paint in a mixture. So I'll do a couple of these. Okay. So as we can see, there's 4 cups of green paint, 2 cups of white paint. Okay. Select all the statements that accurately describe the diagram. Okay. The ratio of cups of white paint to green paint is 2 to 4. Okay. So how many white paint are there? There's 2. How many green paint? 2. I'm sorry, 4. Okay. So that would be circle that one. For every cup of green paint, there are 2 cups of white paint. So for every 1 green, there's 2 white. No, it's the other way around. It's for every 1 white, there's 2 green. So B is a no. We'll do one more. The ratio of cups of green paint to cups of white paint is 4 to 2. And that's exactly what we got here. We got 4 green, 2 whites. Okay. So you still got to do D and E on lesson 2. So we're going to do both of these today. Make sure if you have any questions that you come to me when we meet in small groups. But these are fairly simple, so we can go ahead and get a couple of these knocked out instead of doing them one at a time.